She did it! We won! Go, Yellow Cat!
Wow, steady there! Wouldn't want your ride to fall apart before the finish line. Ta-ta!
It's wobbling out of control!
Yes! Victory is mine!
I never want to see you again. You hear me? It's finished.
But I love you! Please! No, please! Don't leave me! I love you!
You're the brightest star in this stadium. Will you do me the honor of being my girlfriend?
Are you serious? Yes, of course I will! Witness my power! Oh, please, I beg you, don't do this. I'll do anything you ask. I swear I didn't mean it.
Let's go! Yeah! Yellow Cat, you got this!
Now you come back with a bag and a plea. Sorry, baby, will you come back to me? Take your flowers and walk out the door. I don't race for losers anymore. I did it. Look at the gold in my hair. I'm the champion of this land.
What an easy win! Better luck next time, losers!
I knew you were useless, but this is pathetic! Look at what you've become! You are nothing!
You need to get your strength back, little guy. Open wide. too much for you.
Sorry, baby, will you come
How
back
can
to
this
me?
be?
Take your
Push
flowers and walk
harder.
out the door. I don't
Get out
race
of the
for
way.
losers anymore. Oh, I did it,
look
I
out.
did it, I did it.
Yeah.
Look at the gold in my head. I'm
We
the
did
champion
it.
of this
We
land.
took the gold. Yeah, faster. Move it. Too easy, darlings.
They left in my fur, left in my rides. The skeleton beast has nowhere to hide. With red hair gleaming, looking down on me, thinking she's the ruler of history. You're useless, they said, just go away. But the sun is rising on a brand new day. I swept the rust, I healed the pain, fed you the magic in the golden grain. He broke my picture, turned his back, now watch me dominate this track. Watch me ride, watch me fly, 'cause I'm not touching the sky from the dust to the dirt. I rise above, I don't need your fake plastic love. I'm champion, I'm the queen that you've never seen. Yeah, I won the race, get out of my face. Now you come back with a bag and a plea. Sorry, baby, will you come back to me? Take your flowers and walk out the door. I don't race for losers anymore. I did it, I did it, I did it. Look at the gold in my head. I'm the champion of this land.
Yellow cat, you go, girl!
We are the champions! Yes, we did it! Please, give me another chance. I can't lose you.
I can't believe I ever trusted you. It's over.
They left in my fur, left in my ride. Said a skeleton beast has nowhere to
Let's
hide.
go! Woohoo!
Gleaming,
You got this!
down on me, thinking she's the ruler of history. You're useless, they said, just go away. But the sun
Look at
is
you,
rising
struggling
on
on
a
that bag of
brand
bones.
new day.
See you later,
I swept the
loser.
rust, I healed the pain, fed you the magic in the golden grain. He broke my picture, turned his back, now watch me dominate this track.
Why did you do this to me? Why? Why? I trusted you, and you betrayed me. It's over. I'm leaving.
No, please don't do this. I'm so sorry.
Take your flowers and walk out the door. I don't
Save your breath. You mean nothing to me.
Down on me, thinking she's the ruler of history. You're useless, they said, just go away. But the sun